My name is Jane. I've been in housekeeping for 33 years in a hotel business. I have done a bed and breakfast. In the hotel business, I did housekeeping, houseman, and an inspector, and laundry. I have worked with housekeeping about all my life. It is really streak-free, amazing, and the best thing to use. I use it for dusting, for glass, furniture, and this is how you use it. It's stiff when you first get it, but you put it under water, saturate it as much as you can. Bring it out, get all the excess water out. And once you use it on glass, if you see too much water, just come and wring it out again. And it'll leave your glass. You don't have to wipe it dry. You can just clean your glass, your doors, your windows, mirrors, and it'll dry on its own streak-free. And on dark furniture, it's perfect because it will not leave streaks, and you do not have to dry it. You just go over it, and it's perfect. And once you use them for a few times, they come like this. They're very pliable. After a while, you will know when to discard them. They're the best thing I know of. I use them all the time in my cleaning, and I use them at home.
How do you wash them?
I usually put them in with my dirty rags. I do not put fabric softener in them when I dry them. You can dry them in the dryer, or you can hang them and dry them air dry. This, especially the brand new ones, they will last you several times, depending on, unless you get some grease or something on there, and then you wash them. And they'll come right out clean, and you can use them over and over and over.
How long do they usually last you?
Probably a couple of months or so, all depending on how much use and what you're cleaning. And then even when they're like this, they're so much easier to use, and they'll last you a long time too after several washings. It's the best product I've found.
Okay, let's go actually see you use it on a window.
And all you have to do is let it air dry, and you're done.
Years have you been using it?
Oh, probably at least 10, if not more.